Bàbá Oloyin, sẹ̀sán Adéhùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run. Gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí, ọ̀dọ̀ sẹ̀sán Adéhùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.
Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀sán Adéhùsì, táwọn tọ́lọ́run, Bàbá Oloyin nǹkan, Bàbá Oloyin original. I'm staying at Yesi Ọ̀tà, Bàbá Oloyin bus stop, Bàbá Oloyin bus stop, Yesi Ọ̀tà. The program you are watching today is from Bàbá Oloyin original TV, Bàbá Oloyin original television, and the phone number is on the screen: 080 54 74 94 55. 080 54 74 94 55. You can also reach me on another number. 0810 84 31 336. 0810 84 31 336. But it's advisable to send your messages on WhatsApp, so that it will be easy for me to reply you very, very well. Today, I want to give you another secret. What you can do if people hate you. People hate you. Your guy hates you. Even sometimes your mother may hate you. Your father can hate you. There's hatred in your body. Yes. And they normally put that one on person's body when you are asleep. How to remove hatred from your body? Don't carry that hatred to New Year. Don't carry that your hatred to New Year. Do this small thing. Just small thing. Simple thing. Then when you enter New Year, you will thank God. Yes. Ogun tí Bàbá Oloyin ń pọ̀, ewé kan, ewé méjì. Yes. Sometimes I will just tell you to use only honey, and you will overcome your problems. I will tell you the secret today again. What you can do to remove hatred from your body. They are sending your colleagues to different courses. They don't send you to course. They don't. You won't get promotion. Ẹni mo bá rán lọ kọ́ọ̀sì kì í gba promotion. Bá 2020 náà tí wọ́n gbà kí títí ń tẹ Ọlọ́run. Ẹgbẹ́ lọ kọ́ọ̀sì ọ̀lọ́. 2020. When you are working the ministry, you are working the company, sometimes they transfer person. They can transfer you to overseas to go and learn more. If you're in the military or police, they used to do that. They enlist your name to go and learn more from other country. 3 years, 2 years, then you get money. You get you, even in Nigeria, they don't send you to courses. I don't mind your very friends for my baby. You may go no sorrow. You are selling the shop, you don't make sense. You are selling the shop, you don't make sense. People don't patronize you. You always sleep. You always sleep. What you are selling, your neighbor, those people around will still go to other places. They put it in a poly bag. They dodge it for you because your home, they don't want to patronize you. And the same price you. What you can do to remove that hatred from your body, so that people will like you, admire you, and patronize you for your business. I will tell you today again. But before then, don't forget I publish many books. This is one of my books. One as a medicine, Healing Power of Honey, Solution to Woman Problems book. I have African Power Part 1, African Power Part 2, and this is my latest book, African Power Part 3. You can get all these my books, as e-books on your WhatsApp, email, or Gmail. That is to say, you can get the books on your phone. And distance is no mere barrier. You can send the books to you all over the world. all over the world if you can pay for delivery. Yes, if you can pay for delivery. And they get branches in Lagos State. Mi ò ṣe babaláwo orí íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì tí ò ládírẹ́sì. I get branches in Lagos State. If you go to Mushin, go and see them at CAF Communications. You see my product there. You want to buy original honey. You want to buy my books. You know you need to buy original books before looking for original honey. Number 4, Alokolaro Street, Mushin bus stop, Mushin, Lagos State. See them at CAF Communications. At Barika, go to number 36 Ilaje Road, Barika. Number 36 Ilaje Road, Barika. 36 Ilaje Road, Barika. You see my product here. Or you come to Baba Oloyin bus stop. Baba Oloyin bus stop, Ìlú Yesi, Yesi Ọ̀tà. My telephone number again is 08054749455. Now back to what I earlier said. If you have filtering in your body, Yoruba people call these leaves ewé ìpín, sandpaper leaves. Sandpaper leaves. You see, you used to scratch person's body like this. You do like this. It looks like sandpaper. You get some quantities of sandpaper leaves. Grind them with soap of your choice. Add 1 tablespoon of cooking salt with it. 1 tablespoon of cooking salt. Iyọ̀ ṣebẹ̀ síbí kan. Original honey, 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons. Add them together. You have to grind them with soap of your choice. You are using black soap, you are using red soap, you are using green soap. Grind these leaves with soap of your choice. After you have grinded them together, the leaves and the soap, you take 1 tablespoon of cooking salt, you add to it. Then original honey, 1 or 2 tablespoons. Put them together, mix them together. Always take your plate with it. Hatred will be removed from your body as God giveth. Yes. Don't forget, I'm Sesade start along. Baba Oloyin original. Try it. Don't carry that your hatred to New Year. Do it. As for New Year, your God will say, come. I want to see you. You never attend this course. You never attend to that course. I will make sure this January you must go to course. Ìfẹ́ ni o, ọwọ́ ti kúrò lára ẹ̀. Tọ́wọ́ bá wà lára ẹ̀ rẹ̀ wọn ò ní pé ọ sí nǹkan rí. Some people will come to your shop. I don't know you are selling these things. Nígbà tó jẹ́ pọ́wọ́ wà lára rẹ̀ ni. Then they will start coming to your shop and patronize you. That's that. Before I go, I must thank those people that are giving me money. Amen. God will continue to say amen to your prayers. And today happens to be your birthday. Amen. You are the daughter of this day. Congratulations. Happy birthday to you. You are the daughter of this day. Congratulations. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, my sister. Amen. In UK. You will live long to eat fruits of your labor. Ojú òní tiẹ̀, ojú ìtọ́lódùmarè o. Yes, thank you very much for your support of this my channel. You will never lack. Giver never lack. You will never lack good things of life. I say happy birthday to you again. God bless you, my sister. My only daughter in Belgium, thank you very much. Osi Mutupe Morowore. Thank you very much. My only daughter in Belgium. Brother Kim, USA, thank you very much. Ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́ o, ojú ọ̀nà tí ẹni fẹ́sàn ló gbà. Gbogbo tẹ́ ẹ bá dáwọ́ lé yóò mọ̀ yọrí sí rere. Brother Stanley, Brother Michael, ẹ ṣé o, thank you very much. And Titi Blessing, ojú ọ̀nà tí ẹ borí ọ̀tá. You overcome your enemies by God's grace. Yes, Auntie Blessing, God bless you, ma. Alaja Fatima Lekeaja, God bless you, my sister. God bless you, my sister. Ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́ o. Ẹ ṣé o. Happy Christmas to you all. And I wish you happy New Year in advance. Ojú òní tí yín o. Gbogbo tá a bá dáwọ́ lé ní ọdún tuntun yóò máa yọrí sí rere ni. If you like today's program, give me thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel. If you like today's program, you can also watch me on my other channel, Kenny Show TV. On my son channel, Mr. Lastborn Comedy, Adeusi. Mr. Lastborn Comedy, Adeusi. Go and watch it. I featured there last week. The reason why Lisa don't talk, this always like this. Go and watch the program. You will see me there as well. Till next time when you see me again, remain blessed.